Masters, meaning the Masters, often known as the Masters Tournament, is a major professional golf tournament held at Augusta National Golf Course in Augusta, Georgia. It is the oldest continuously held golf tournament in the world. It is widely regarded as one of the most prestigious golf tournaments in the world. As part of the Professional Golfers Association, PGA, it is one of 4 competitions held each year that are regarded as major tournaments, the others being the United States Open, the Open Championship, and the PGA Championship. The victor of the Masters is renowned for being presented with a green jacket. The Masters is commonly called to as a tradition unlike any other, a term attributed to sportscaster Jim Nantz and trademarked by Augusta National Golf Club. The tournament is held every year in April. The competition will last 72 holes. There is a strong association among golf fans of the Masters with the dramatic moments that frequently occur on the section of the course known as Amen Corner, which runs from hole 11 to the 13th. It technically consists of the second half of the 11th hole, the 12th hole, and the first half of the 13th hole.